Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you everything that I got in my regular IPSY glam bag as well as my plus bag for November of 2022. Very excited. I got these like a week ago and I just have been so incredibly busy that I haven't had a chance to actually like sit down and film a video. So I apologize about this coming out a little bit later. It is November 8th. This is my first video I'm actually filming this month, which is also insane. So I apologize, but you know what? Give this video a thumbs up for effort. Give it a thumbs up to help the algorithm. Give me a comment down below on what you got in your IPSY, what were your choices, all of that. And don't forget to subscribe as well if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and talk about this bag first. So this is the regular bag. Super cute. I think I might have thought this was red because I thought this was going to be red, but it wasn't. But I do like the orange. It's very on theme with fall. So first product here that I'm pulling out is from Kinship. We love Kinship. This is the Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream Moisturizer, which is great. I love Kinship so much. I'm thankfully on their PR list, which makes me incredibly happy because I love their products. So I am always really excited when I get one of these in like a subscription and stuff. So here it is. Here's the product. Super cute. I want to give this a sniffity snaff. Okay. I'm not used to having nails. I got these from Kiss. They sent them in a Halloween box, and they're the long size, and I used the medium size before that, and they were okay. Like, but these are like hard to maneuver, so I'm not used to them yet. Oh, this smells really good. I think I'm really gonna like that. This says Super Mellow Hydrating Gel, and it does smell like marshmallow. And I can get behind this a lot. I'm going to put that on my face later. No doubt, no doubt. But yeah, I'm just getting used to maneuvering things with these nails. It's really hard. Oh, okay. So I got this, which I was very intrigued with my spoilers. This is the Juicy Couture Honey Bee Wild Honey Creamy Vanilla and Orange Blossom Fine Fragranced Soy Candle. So I guess this is actually a candle. Let me just see. Oh my gosh, this is a candle, and I'm gonna light this. This is like very, very heavily scented, but it smells fresh and citrusy and so good. Also, if you hear what sounds like thunder, that's the sound system in the living room. Best sound system ever. It was like after taxes and like all the things, like the added on like protection plan. It was like almost $1,500 just for a sound system, but it was worth it. So if you hear something rumbling, that's the sound system. And my dogs are barking probably based off of the sounds. And then my kid's home playing PS5. Probably might hear him screaming because it is, you know, there was no school today. Anyways, enough about me babbling on. Next product, we have this from PYT. Let me open this up. I think this is the one that I was talking about in my video. If so, oh yeah. Okay, look how gorgeous this is. I cannot wait to play with this. It's definitely a lot more muted in person, but I can get behind this. It's so cute. I could just eat this up. That is so cute. And then I got this matte liquid lip from M2U NYC in the shade Queens. Actually, it says Queens 2201. I thought it said 2021. I was gonna say, no, we're about to be in 2023. That's old. I'm not gonna swatch it. This is not my shade, so I'll pass this along. But yes, super cool to have a full-size product in there. And then we have this IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout, and it matches the press-on nails. By the way, these are really good. Don't recommend the glue that comes with it because I've already broken off these two nails and had to glue them back on super easily. But it also comes with these things too. These little like sticky things. Some of them already have them on them. Some of them have the stickies also. Stickies work great. But Anyways, we have this mascara. Not going to open it yet because, well, I don't want to, you know, ruin it. I'm not going to use it yet, but that's everything that came in this bag. Super cute bag. Absolutely love. And next up we have this one. We have more products in here that are quite big, so let me just go ahead and show you. Oh, wait. This is the IPSY card this month. Love the colors. Creature Comforts. So that's the card this month. Okay. Pure Lease. Pumpkin plus Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Citrulli and Gingerbread. I don't know. Pure Lease, amazing brand. We love Pure Lease. It's kind of like the Yinsa one, which if you don't know, Yinsa has a pumpkin detox mask too. A Yinsa, some kind of pumpkin mask. I think it's even pumpkin and ginger. I don't know. Which is funny because Yinsa is actually the sister brand, the daughter, if you will, of Pure Lease. So they have a lot of the same exact products. I wonder if they're like super similar in like ingredients too. But this is very festive and I am going to give this a go because I need a mask and this sounds good. Oh my gosh. And it smells like fall so much and I love it. So I'm definitely going to wear that. And then I have this here, Shades by Shan, the setting spray. You are very beautiful. Oh, if this is a berry scent, I'm gonna die. Okay, let me open this up with these nails that are just so hard to work with. Oh, I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Okay, let's just... Doesn't smell like berry, but it feels nice on the face. So yeah, we have this spray. And then we have another big item in here. Iconic London, you guys. Love Iconic London. Such an amazing brand. And we got some brushes. Very excited. I saw these in my spoilers. Which I realized I didn't do plus spoilers this month. So like, I'm sorry, but I looked at the spoilers, but I didn't actually like do them because I just got really busy. So here are the brushes. Super cute. I love the white and like I don't even know. It's not silver, but it's as if silver and gold had a baby almost because it's like a light gold. I love it. These are amazing brushes. Great quality. Love them so much. Put them right there. I'll definitely use those. The little bag is really, really cute too. And then we also have this palette thing in the Booble Wrap, the Michael Booble Wrap. This is from Presumida On Your Face Eye Color Palette. I don't know what this says. I can't read it. I don't know what that says. I can't. The font. I can't with the font. I can't. Oh, Rain Arbeld. Rain Arbeld. ReinArebelde. Raina Rebelled. Raina Rebelled by Raina Cosmetics. Okay. Wow. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't understand. Oh, how pretty is the packaging though? Super cute. I have a feeling other people are going to probably be really confused by the name. Raina Rebelled unapologetically celebrates our many powerful dualities with products that are as beautiful as they are fierce. Our multi-use Presumida palette includes 6 attention-getting shades that are guaranteed to give you that rebel glow up. We are proud to be a Latina-owned brand offering products that are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, and phthalate-free. Con Amor Regina, founder. Oh, okay. Okay. So here are the colors. We have Reina, Chespa, Travisa, Chula, Rosa Blush, Soul Highlighter. Cute. I actually really like these two colors a lot. Okay. Love that. I'm sorry I was so stuck on the name for such a long time. And then lastly, we got a product that is very interesting. Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. I think I might have said this in my other spoiler video, or my regular spoiler, so I'm almost wondering if these are like supposed to be flip-flopped or not. I'm not sure. But let's just go ahead and look at this product. So this is like a perfume oil or something. Perfume oil. An alcohol-free line of delicate perfumes higher in concentrate than regular perfume, a rich oil that nourishes even the most sensitive of skin and envelops it with a fine fragrance. Okay, let's just take a whiff. Oh, I love that it has a roller on the top. This actually smells so good. It gives me like a sophisticated grandma. Like, she's rich. And I love her because she buys me things. That's what this smells like. This smells actually so good. It reminds me of like my grandma. I'm just saying. So anyways, that is everything that I got. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below and all of that jazz. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.